Welcome or welcome back to WatchAdvisor on YouTube. It's Alexander speaking, your host, and on your screen you see the Montblanc 1858 iced sea automatic date diver. The watch can be bought either in green, in blue or black, and you may choose to wear it either with a bracelet or a rubber strap that matches perfectly the black and the blue. And yes, the green version is also sold or offered with a black rubber strap. So there's no matching rubber strap with the green version. Don't forget to subscribe and to hit the bell to get our latest notifications. Where did Montblanc take its inspiration for these dials in these particular colors? Not from tropical seas, but from a glacier. And to be precise, when you walk from the Chamonix Valley in direction of the Mont Blanc, you pass by the so-called Mer de Glace, the ice sea, and this is where the designers took their inspirations. Why green, why blue, why black? Yeah, why? This is also easy to explain because ice appears on Earth either in green colors, in blue colors or black colors, depending where you are encountering ice. And how did Montblanc realize the dials as you see them here on your screen? They remembered an old technique that is called a gratte-boiser, a technique to make dials. And this technique needs about 30 steps to make these dials look like as they do on your screen. And if you look on these dials, you get the impression either to look into a big ice block or to walk on ice. So it's really the feeling you get when you are standing on ice. The watches all feature a matching bezel with a ceramic inlay, of course, and this bezel, of course, as it is a ISO 6425 certified diver, is only turning counterclockwise. Yes, this is the case. The case features or has a diameter of 41 millimeter and a thickness of 12.9 millimeter. The cases are waterproof up to 300 meter. And the sapphire crystal has an anti-reflective treatment on both sides. I said it before, the watches are certified by ISO 6425, plus they get the internal Montblanc laboratory 500-hour tests. This is a test that is done internally by Montblanc, and this test is done when the watches are completely assembled, ready to sell. They go through the test procedure, and this test does guarantee that the watches, as they are pretty tortured during these 500 hours, when they leave the Montblanc manufactory, that there are no problems when you buy them. Can always happen, but the 500-hour test is enough to really separate watches that could, in any case, have a flaw and they would never leave the manufactory. In Le Loc, when you turn the watches around, you see a nice caseback with an engraving of an iceberg. And if you look precisely, imagining that Montblanc is 12 o'clock, 1858 is 6 o'clock, at the 4 o'clock position, you can even discover a diver that is diving around that ice block. The bracelet or the rubber strap can easily be dismantled or taken off the watch head, if you want to put it that way, and clicked in again. That's absolutely no rocket science. The only thing you need to do is to push on the push piece you clearly see on our screen, or on your screen, sorry, and you will see one at 12 o'clock position, one at 6 o'clock position. You press on it and then you release either the bracelet or the strap, and if you want to put it back on, you just click it in and you will hear a solid click. And when you hear this, you know that the strap or the bracelet is perfectly fixed back on the watch head. So when it comes to the blue version, you see the blue rubber strap perfectly matching the color. Yep, that would be my favorite version to wear that watch. And yeah, you also see the version with the bracelet, of course. Here is the bracelet as it looks like, has some matte and polished links. And if you open the clasp, it's a folding clasp. What the watch also features is a length adjustment in 7 steps. So you can adjust the length by, again, pushing on the push piece. You see that is integrated in the clasp. You push on it, and then you have 7 steps. It's 9 something millimeters of length adjustment you can do if you use this mechanism. And to make it clear, also the rubber strap features a length adjustment in the clasp. So that's really something that is cool and also pretty unique. I have not seen this length adjustment system mounted on a rubber strap or a leather strap elsewhere than with Montblanc and Hermès so far. Is the bracelet tapering? It is 20 down to 16, and yeah, same question. Is the rubber strap tapering? It is 20 down to 18 millimeters. What are your thoughts? Blue, black, green, green, black, blue. Which one would you choose? Interesting. Please write this in the comment section and let's discuss about the colors. Of course, a diver also needs a very intense treatment with a super luminova, and you see nicely that the hands are emitting a green color and the indexes, the number 12, 9 and 6, a blue color, including the dot on the bezel, so you can perfectly read the time in dark conditions. The last thing I want to mention here is that these watches are powered by an automatic movement that is internally called MB24.17, and it is a Sellita SW200 that features only 38 hours of power reserve. It's a 4 Hz movement, 28,800 semi-oscillations per hour. But these 38 hours of power reserve, even if they are perfectly manufactured, some of them do have a little bit more than 38 hours. Some say they also reach 41 hours, these SW200 movements. But still, either 38 or 41 hours are, in my humble opinion, not enough today. And this is really something where Montblanc should improve the performance or use another movement. The Montblanc 1858 ISC automatic day diver with the bracelet is sold for $3,190 US without taxes. And if you choose the version with the rubber strap, you pay $2,975 US without taxes. That's a fair and good offer, I would say. You get a nice watch, nothing wrong with it. The only thing, I said it before, is this power reserve of 38 hours. Okay. But the rest, nice execution, nice style, diver certified, etc. A good watch, good haptics, fitted perfectly on my wrist. So if you think about buying such a watch, head to one of the Montblanc boutiques or to the authorized dealer. And if you once had one in your hand, share some thoughts with us, please. Okay, thanks for watching. And I'm curious to read your comments. Of course, stay tuned on WatchAdvisor on YouTube. Bye-bye.